Palma de Mallorca is renowned for having many large sailing yachts, but today I'd like to take you to a very special one, the Swan 112, number 5, Pauline af Skanor. She was the last one of the series built. This Herman Frey's design was delivered new by Nautor in 2003. In the transom there's a large swimming platform giving access to the tender garage with a Castoli 15 4.4 metre tender with inboard engine. The yacht had a refit in 2016 which included this new grey caulking, giving her a much more modern look. There's a side boarding ladder which hydraulically folds out on the starboard side. As you see, flush hatches forward, twin hydraulic windlasses and 2 fold-out anchor arm systems. The headsail furlers are by Reckman and the jib unit was sent back to the manufacturer in 2022. The mast is a carbon southern spars setup with furling boom, and this was all painted in 2016, and she also at that time had new rod rigging. She has captive winches for the sheets and halyards. Some are set here under the deck that we walk past, and 2 further are in the cockpit area and 1 internally. The sails were all serviced in 2023. The main is from 2018, the Genoa 2019, the staysail 2017. There's a sunbathing area here on the aft deck. We go forward into the cockpit with its twin helm positions, joystick sail controls. Everything is very easy to manage. The B&G was fully upgraded, as were the screens. The bimini was also new in 2021. Here we see one of the captive sheet winches. This is for the main sheet. Opposite is another one. Forward in the main cockpit you see it's a very comfortable and well protected area. The 2 cockpit tables will conjoin together to form one large table. To starboard there is a small locker, and to port is a bar area with fridge and sink. We'll go on down into the interior. As you can see, she has a lovely, light, bright, raised saloon area. The seating there is raised with a coffee table. You have an internal navigation system. And the aft area can be a wet bar or storage. Wonderful visibility. We're going aft to the guest accommodation. We'll head straight to the owner's suite with its central double king-size bed. There's a lovely desk and vanity unit, sofa which had new upholstery as did the Holbert just this year. There are hull windows either side and overhead hatches, so it's a lovely light and well ventilated area. Of course there's heating and air conditioning, the system for which was new in 2020. Plenty of storage, hanging lockers, drawers into the bed, etc. The woodwork is in excellent condition throughout, with a typical Nautor Burmese teak finish, teak and holly floors. The guest cabins are both identical, each with twin beds and a Pullman. They both have a full ensuite with separate shower area. Here you see one cabin with the Pullman bed set up. Back up to the wonderful raised saloon and on forward to the lower saloon. This area is also flooded in light from the large forward saloon windows. You have a dining area to starboard and drink area to port. Forward to starboard here is a dayhead. And we'll go on forward to the crew area, galley, dinette, all fully equipped, and all the appliances were new in 2016 and some have been renewed since. The crew area is very comfortable. There are 2 cabins, each with 3 beds, and each cabin has a full ensuite bathroom with shower cubicle. The galley is fully equipped with excellent refrigeration. There is a recently installed water filter system and a growy system for cold and hot water. Running back aft, you see the electrical panel, part of the galley, and we go on forward again to the lower saloon. Behind those flowers is a TV set and nut locker, and here we'll go and take a quick look in the engine room, which has an MTU 414 diesel engine. This had a full W5 serviced in 2016. Indeed, the whole engine room was gutted at that time and everything updated. There are 2 Northern Lights generators. Thank you for visiting Pauline.